Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2021. New 21s are just coming out, fantastic. 310 SLX, it's a phenomenal boat. It's got the new Sea Ray color on it as well. It does everything well. It's got the twins on the back, the new design is absolutely gorgeous. It runs great. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310 SLX. Let's start at the back of the boat. Twin 300, the new engines on it from by Mercury. They are unbelievable. They're quieter, they're less vibration, they're lighter. Fantastic motors, plenty of motor for these 300, plenty of motor for this boat. Also, we've got the large boat pad in the back with the storage underneath it, which is huge storage. And let's move into the boat. We've got a little prep area here, so for making lunch and different things. You got a wine holder, you can ice it down in there. You've got a refrige with a little freezer in it. The drinks out here, and then you've got seating that goes all the way around. So if you're sitting in the, if you're just hanging out, you can take this, you can spin it all the way around. So you get seating basically 360 degrees. Fantastic seating, nice congregating area for just having a relaxing time on the water. Also, when we flip it back around, and the head is very large, so you've got a window in it that actually gives you daylight. It opens up. You've got a sink in there for keeping clean, and you get the vacuum flush head, which is fantastic. A little bit of teak in the inside, which really makes you comfortable and plenty of feet. Move over to the helm area. You get the twin Simrad touchscreen, great electronics for this boat, and then you get the joystick. The joystick is absolutely fantastic. I can make the boat go sideways. I can put it in any docking situation there is, wind, current, it doesn't matter, I can do it. Sky hook keeps the boat locked in place, sunset, waiting for a slip, that type of thing. And it's also got an auto heading, which is an autopilot. Very simple, very easy. Great feature. And as we move forward here, we've got a power panel. And then up at the bow, very comfortable seating up here. Double lounges on both sides. You can actually put 4 people across here and another 2 to 3 comfortably. You've got twin tables in the front as well. So it entertains very well with a nice big hard top, which keeps the sun off you. It's absolutely a beautiful boat on the water. So it handles great if you want to come see it. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.